Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to use the Zoom Workplace app for online classes from your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To join your class, tap the join button on the home screen or enter the meeting ID or link your teacher gave you. Type your name if needed, then tap join again. Once you join, you can turn on your microphone by tapping the mic icon at the bottom. Tap the video icon to turn your camera so your teacher can see you. You can also tap again to mute or hide your video anytime. To ask a question, tap raise hand from the mode 3-dot menu at the bottom right. You can also type message or question in the chat by tapping more than chat. When class is over, tap leave at the top right corner, then confirm by tapping leave meeting. And that's it. That's how you use the Zoom Workplace app for online classes from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.